Hey guys, Jonathan, Montana Fire Pits. We're driving today. I wanted to explain how freight works. It may seem elementary, but there are a lot of common questions that I think we can help you with when to expect a freight delivery. Here you go. We know that a lot of our units ship via freight. First of all, what does that mean? If it is larger than 36 inches, which a lot of our units are, burners, plates, pans, log sets, things of that nature, or just weighs more than UPS or FedEx is going to take, it has to ship freight, okay? Freight simply means this. Ultimately, it's put on a pallet, a customized crate is built, then it's called a common carrier, a freight company that has a bunch of semis everywhere, comes and picks it up, and miraculously a few days later, it's gonna show up in your town at your door. Now, when to expect a freight delivery? You get a tracking number, just like UPS and FedEx, but this tracking number is for the freight company. You can track it and see when it's gonna arrive. When it's out for delivery, the actual driver of that truck is gonna pick up the phone and call you to schedule the best time and place to which they can deliver this thing. Also, once they do, it's typically referred to as a driveway delivery. They're gonna drop it off in your driveway. Some drivers, depending on how nice they are, what mood they're in, might be able to take it to you somewhere. But when a big truck shows up at your driveway, it's gonna have a lift gate that lowers down to the ground. They have a pallet jack, and then they roll it into your driveway. Typically, your driveway or your garage. If it is a big concrete bowl or if it weighs 300 or 400 pounds, that is not their responsibility to move that. So, again, driveway or garage delivery, once it's there, those guys are gonna pack up and peace out. They've done their job. I also wanted to mention crating and freight. A lot of our units are big and they're expensive and they're beautiful, and we want to make sure that they get to your door from across the country in one piece and in perfect condition. Some units require that we charge you freight, but that's because a custom crate is being built and these things are packaged to get to you in perfect condition. One more thing I wanted to mention is that tracking information. Once we give you that tracking information, by all means, you can contact that freight company, UPS, FedEx, the common carrier, and track that package on your own. It's very simple to do, and that way you can just know exactly when and where it's going to come to you. As usual, thank you so much for watching. If you find these videos helpful, be sure to like, comment, share. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and be sure to check out the other videos that pertain to frequently asked questions. We try to make videos about all of the common questions about fire features, designing, planning, purchasing, the materials. So thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.